welcome back to It's Pouring Paint. You may have seen this particular canvas on my last video. I have done the cracked, I dried it quickly to make the painting cracked. I messed up a bit here, so I've decided to go ahead and try and make a bubble. Now I've watched several different videos on this. Know this, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to try. So, from what I understand, you put the black paint around one side. Now, I've watched several of the videos, and you don't have to have a perfect round bubble. No, it can be any size. So I'm going to try and somewhat make it like the heart that you all know, or I said in the other one that I messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So what you're supposed to do is put a black line around like such, and then you blend it. I should have water. I do not have water, so we're just going to try it this way. So you blend. I don't know if you can see me blending. I don't like that brush to blend. Let's try it here. This brush kind of sucks too. One moment, I'm going to get a new brush. Okay, I'm back. Got a new brush, got a little water. We should be rocking and rolling right now, I suppose. So I'm going to just dip this in water and do some blending. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. Let's be quite honest. Let's just call a spade and say, because this is my first attempt, and well, it's a very good thing to say that I have never done this before. And then your second one is supposed to be white, so I guess I'm not doing the entire thing in a heart. But here we go, some white. It's a big drop. We'll call it a big drop. That's why it looks like it does. And I've never really painted. So you are witnessing, you know, a real first time. But I'm going to try. And now I'm going to blend. Uh-oh. Let's try blending. This is, I guess, the light shadow part of it. Well, that blended a little bit better than before. Now I need a, never mind, got one. Something to do that. Okay, so now that we've got that, I'm going to do a light source, which is going to be here. And little dots in and around here. Oh, I just amuse myself, I really do. So now we need a shadow, which is going to come to the bottom of here, apparently. And we will shadow that up, or blend that in. Okay. Still not looking like I had put in anything here, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this a bit better. Maybe put a little bit of white on the outside here. I'm trying to remember all the different instructions that I had received. Let's see how this works out. Well, honestly, probably doing something wrong here. I'm not sure. That does not look like a bubble to me yet. Maybe I just need to continue to define it. I don't know. Or I'm just ruining a painting. That could be it too. You never know. It's just the way things go sometimes. But I'm going to try. I'm trying. What does that look like to you? Maybe a little. Maybe just a little. Well, let's just see, maybe I'm getting there. Maybe I have the right concept. But maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm not entirely sure. Let me take another look from your side. Because right now, I can honestly say, this does not look like a bubble. I may be wrong. I don't think so. Let's take another look. Well, maybe. Tell me what you think. Am I getting it? Am I not getting it? Probably not getting it. Maybe I need some light up in here too. Some white light. Some white up in here. Let's try that. Blend that in. Well, it's not looking too bad. I mean, no. Does it do what I want? No. But like from your angle right there, kind of looks like a kind of. I like that other angle better. There, kind of looks like one there. Like a little water drop. I think I blended the outsides too much. I think that's why it doesn't look quite... See, you look at it this way, you're like, yeah, no. But then you look at it this way, and you're like, well, maybe a little, I can see it. I'm not sure what else to do. Let's try. I've got a few minutes. A couple paintbrushes. So my thinking is that this is not defined enough, maybe. So let's just see if I can't try and define it just a little bit more. Try to I want it to blend, but at the same time I want it to look somewhat natural. I saw them using their fingers, that's why I'm doing it. I know, monkey see, monkey do, right? Hey, that's how you learn. I do have a little stupid sponge thing here. Not sure how that'll work. I don't think it worked at all. Okay. Well, what I don't like, not that it really matters much, but I don't like how this is blended. So I'm just gonna try and blend it a little better. So I'm supposed to put a shadow around it. Oh, keep dipping it in the wrong spot. Let's just see. Let me take a look from your angle again. Well, it seems to be doing a little better. When I say little, I mean little. So I'm gonna just keep trying here. I hear that you get better as you do them. Doesn't that make sense? Total sense. And I really like the look of them. That's why you see me experimenting on this one, because I feel like I kind of muffed this one up already. So what a perfect way to experiment than with something that you're not entirely thrilled with in the first place. Trust me, I'm not sure what I'm doing. I think I mentioned that already. Just going to So where am I going wrong, people? Where am I going wrong? I'm going to put a third one right here. Maybe I'm going wrong because I keep adding. Was the third one too much? It might have been too much. So what I'm going to do then, because I think it's too much, so I'm actually going to take that third one out. I'm going to try to take that third one out. Let me rephrase that. What kind of worked, eh? Okay, I keep looking back at what you're looking at to see if I can't see where I'm going wrong. I think most of it was because it was too big, and and it wasn't completely round, but I've seen them do it not completely round before. That's just why I didn't think that there would be too much of a problem if it was a little bigger. Sorry, I'm just never really worked on a piece like this before. Trying to get it looking good for everybody. And then maybe I can still give my my boyfriend it. I don't know, people. I don't know if I even like it. Maybe it's too blended, maybe it's too everything. However, there it is. That's what I have done. Let me know what you think. Do you think it looks cool? Oh, had this black thing there the whole time. There we have it. I have put a water drop on the canvas. Let me take you up for a close-up as well. You know, I think it's better seen from the side. But there we have it. My water drop. Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.